Sometimes the preventative stage is all about providing clarity and guidance, not repair. I recently evaluated a home in Edmond that was showing minor signs of foundation-related movement. The homeowner, extremely polite and inquisitive, understood that his home was showing minor movement and wanted a professional opinion before things got worse. We walked the property together and I answered each of his questions. After a complete evaluation, I explained that, in my opinion, foundation repair was not needed at that time. Instead, I showed him what to watch for in the future and shared resources so he would know who and when to call if anything changed. Afterwards, he told us, the OFS inspector was extremely detailed and took the time to explain reasoning behind his findings. I immediately noticed the honesty and transparency, and it was clear customer service was a priority for them. That's what the preventative stage is all about. It's not about pushing repairs that aren't necessary. It's about giving homeowners confidence, education, and peace of mind.